President Obama tonight laid out details of his $450 billion jobs plan.
The president says part of stirring economic growth is to center on hiring people who've been unemployed for more than 6 months. The president made the pitch tonight before a joint session of Congress. Under the plan, the government would provide tax credits to businesses that hire unemployed veterans, with bigger credits for hiring disabled veterans. But the president says not all action needs to come from Washington.
And this task of making America more competitive for the long haul, that's a job for all of us, for government and for private companies, for states and for local communities, and for every American citizen. All of us will have to up our game. All of us will have to change the way we do business.
Alabama Representative Robert Aderholt issued a statement about the president's speech. He says, in part, while I appreciate the president addressing Congress this evening on one of the most critical issues our country is facing, I think what is missing is the realization that trillions of dollars of stimulus spending simply did not work. Aderholt says the did not work because the nation cannot spend its way to prosperity. He says job creation depends on deregulation and free trade agreements.
Firefighters are now